Hi guys, we're going to talk about the food diary day 1 and 2. So you can start right now. You can, write down what you have for dinner or lunch or breakfast the day that you're looking at this. But it's easier to remember if you start right now. So try not to backtrack when you do this. Okay, so here is the diet analysis. First, you're going to go to this website, and I already have it. Well, I'll just click on it. Just go through it because it's already clicked through. And these are the directions that you're getting given right here. Click Start, enter your age, gender, weight, height, and amount of physical activity, calculate food plan. Okay, let's do that first. So hit Start. Age, female. By the way, if you don't know your height and weight, you can just guesstimate. I hope you know your height. I guess you guys are growing. And then this is less than 30 minutes of activity a day, 30 to 60 minutes, which is an hour of activity, or more than 60. So all of you people that have multiple hours of practice every night, that's you. But I'm going to say it's less than. Okay, the next part it's going to say click on the navy blue button. You know what? I'm going to underline this because people miss that. Right here. 1,800 calories. That's how much I should get in a day. Use the information along with the tab, in this new tab, along with your food diary to answer the questions. All right. So in this new tab, I'm going to get out of that. In this new tab, it's going to tell me how much of each of the food groups I need in a day. All right. So when I go to write in my foods, I need you to be detailed and specific because here's the thing, I don't need to know exactly, but if I'm going to look, I need to know it's close to a half cup because I'm measuring based on what I need in a day. So if I need 2.5 cups of vegetables and 1 cup from the vegetable counts as 1 cooked raw, you can read it, but 2.5 cups, I'm going to have to guess. Go to your cabinets and pull out your measuring cups and give it a guess. Now, if you want to measure everything out, hey, be my guest. But for me, it's easier if I just kind of eyeball it. So for the day 1, now a lot of you are going to say, well, I didn't eat anything. I don't ever eat breakfast. I can't. Breakfast makes me sick. I can't tell you how many times I've heard that. Then just put nothing. You ate nothing for breakfast. I had nothing, but I also drank some water, or I had a terrible beverage. I don't know. You had a frappuccino. I'm not really sure. You guys have some crazy stuff. So then snacks, again, if you didn't have a snack, you don't have to put anything. Just put nothing. But here's the thing. If you leave something blank, I'm going to think you forgot. You need to write the word nothing. Or, nothing in water or nothing in Diet Mountain Dew. I don't know what you guys eat and drink. I want you to include all of your drink scum and candy. That includes anything that you grab. Like, oh, I just had a handful of chips or whatever it is. The other part of this is, and I don't know if you noticed this right here, this assignment is not to impress me. Okay, so if you're like, oh, she wants me to eat real meals, I'm gonna write in that I had a salad and chicken and potatoes. That doesn't matter to me. That's why I put here, small bag of Doritos and a Diet Coke. And then I put can because I was putting an amount. So this is fine. Just be honest. Sometimes dinner for me is popcorn or whatever. It's just whatever I can grab. So you have to be honest with yourself through these, through this analysis. Excuse me. All right. So then day 1 and 2. How much do you need? These answers, and these answers, day 1 and 2. That's the same thing. So once you know how much you need of each of these food groups, then you can just put those in first. And then how much you ate. This is day 1. How much I ate. You have to go back. You have to think. Okay, I had, here's protein, and then down here I had chicken, and you'll have to just do the measurements the best you can. I will give you a measurement guide as far as ounces go. I'll put that in the assignment before I forget. And then how much you ate. Right here, choose one of the food groups that you did not eat enough of. Vegetables. These are the 3 I like. List 3 foods you like. Carrots, peppers, lettuce. Did you eat too much of any food group? I always eat too many grains. I Love carbs. And then state 2 changes you would make to your diet for day 1. It could have helped you, and I put more water, less sugar. I mean, that's just noticing what I'm eating and drinking. It doesn't necessarily have to come from your food groups right here. State 2 changes you can make to your diet for one day. So it maybe you notice that you don't drink enough water. Then you do that for day 2. This one down here, you have to state 2 different than day 1 changes. So I can't put more water, less sugar again. All right, I hope that is descriptive enough. If you have any questions, we can always meet on Wednesday, or you can ask me during our in-person class times. So this is due Sunday by midnight. Feel free to get started whenever you want. But again, getting it done and out of the way is best because you may forget. All right.